Yeah. So now you hit it and you get one of those things. So go for it whenever you feel like it. Yeah. There you go. Come on. Nice. Oh, one free game. So no, that's good though, because now you have extra game, and then it's so you're in a bonus round. So now you have extra games. Keep spinning it. Keep spinning it. Yes, that's really good. So you, when you go in the bonus round, you have 3 extra spins. You don't want start feature. That's the one thing. Yeah, don't get the red. This is anytime. Obviously, it's gonna do whatever it does. But like, go. Yes. Okay, but it's still good. You have 3 extra spins for free, and you got a bonus round right away. So that's pretty dang awesome. And you got a big one, $2. Yeah. So you got 11. It would have been 8. It would have been 8. So now here we go. Here's your bonus.
What do I need? I just want to...
Push start on the screen or whatever, yeah, there you go. So now you'll see. I haven't played this game, so now essentially you have one more. Pop it. So now you collect those coins. So you need 3 more blues for the major. Okay, the mini, okay. Wilds, at least get some line hits. Okay, you got some beautiful dragons, that's nice. All right. Yeah, okay, wild, keep going. Green, you want all of those. Okay, 3 more for that one. Okay, you'll take that, I guess. This is a cool game, yeah. Yeah, come on, yes, you get a lot of these. Come on, 1 more, 2 more. 2 more. Oh yeah, this is crazy. More chests, come on. Green. Oh my God, 1 more. Oh, you have 5 chances. 5 chances. Okay, work your magic. Okay, come on. Some of them at least. So yeah, spin it whenever you feel like it's the nuts. Whenever you feel like it's the right time. Come on, more chests. Something said green, red. Oh, blue. Oh, you got that. Okay, good. That's a good start. Yeah. Now you have. Yeah. Now come on. 1 red or 1 blue. Come on. Oh, you got to start over there. Yeah. Okay. So 1 red or 1 blue. You want more chests. Don't stop giving chests, okay? Come on. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, more. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, more spins. Oh, yes, $30. Nice. Yes. This is awesome. Oh my God. So this is shabby. Okay. Yeah, 1 more. Oh, so you got $1.80. Sometimes it gives money, but that's awesome. You haven't had any of those money ones. You don't want the money. Was that $18, I think? That's awesome. Okay, so now 1 more. I think that was $18. Yeah, so it gave you, the first box was 5 free games. So that was awesome, yeah. Oh, come on, more chests. Oh, red. Okay, then now okay, 1 game. Now it's gonna stingy a little bit, but more chests. It can happen. Okay, you already got that one. Oh, come on. Oh, red or blue. Oh my God, don't do this. Red or blue, come on. Red or blue. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's good, that's nice. Okay. Sometimes it does this. It'll go back to like this one. This is crazy, right? And you got a big line hit right there because you got her and she's wild. She's the best symbol, yeah. So this is crazy. Okay, huge. All right. See, I like betting a little bit bigger because you get like these bigger bonuses. Like people are probably betting 98 cents on it, like non-stop, but you were betting like $3 or $2.18, which is like it'll trigger something good. Come on. So you have two more. Oh, come on. Chesticles. But it's still good line hit right there. Chest. Come on. Oh my God! Please, red. Oh, that okay. You got your friend the mini. Come on. At least the blue one. The blue one will be fair. Blue. Okay, 2 more games. Great. Okay, and then a little bit of money. I got 2 games is good. All right. So let's get some reds. I like it. Okay. Oh, come on. 1. We don't need any stinking greens over here. 1 red or 1 blue. The blue one. Come on. Oh my God. Blue. So many. Oh, not just money. Blue. 1 game to keep you in there. Come on, more. Oh my God, come on. Oh, you got that again. Nice, good job. I mean, if it's in a queue, that's so good. Yes, you did. Blue. Okay, that was awesome though. That was 5 minutes of dopamine rush. That was crazy. Good job.
Good luck with the girl character.
Yes, you said it too. Yes.
I'm gonna bet on whatever he's betting on.
Yeah, exactly. Whatever you're betting on tonight for the UFC fight, we're betting on that too. We're going all in. Yes, $150 almost. That's awesome, dude. Congrats. Yes, yes. Good job. That's your first slot machine you ever played, right? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. First time in Vegas, first slot machine, just banged off $150.
Cash out.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, do it, hit it and run. Good job. That's smart. Okay, that's everyone take a lesson from that. That is smart right there. Okay. All right, GG.